For sparkling results with minimal effort, Indesit dishwashers come equipped with a fully adjustable upper basket. Your new dishwasher will be delivered with the upper basket set in the lower position. Perfect for your everyday clean, but not so suitable for those larger items. However, the flexibility of the easy-to-use basket height adjusters allows it to be raised and dropped as required to achieve the very best cleaning results. To raise the upper basket, pull it out completely, gently lift until the height adjusters click into place. This will allow more space where needed and ensure the spray arm is able to move freely and deliver an effective clean. Just bear in mind that the basket may be heavy once full, so it's best to adjust this before filling. To put the upper basket down, press the height adjustable tabs and lower. Lowering the upper basket allows you to accommodate taller items.